Ordering articles from PubMed is easy with Article Galaxy. From your home screen, click on the Search PubMed icon. Within PubMed, search for keywords or terms of interest. Click the Search button. Review the results from PubMed. Find an article you're interested in. From the article details, you'll see Get Full Text in Article Galaxy. Click this icon. You will be taken to the article details page where you can review your citation details and click the Request PDF button. In most cases, your PDF will be available in just a few seconds. Click the Start button and your PDF will be available to download.